Tanong ko lang, G, dun sa Sinungaling Mong Puso, kamusta yung working relationship mo with other cast?
Sobrang gaan, sobrang blessing every time na nagde-debut. Kasi natututo. Dahil ang gamay ko is comedy. So itong ginagawa ko, parang I feel like I really do have to step up my game. I have to, kumbaga, Michael De Mesa, Director Rico Davao, I mean, alam mo
mga legendary stars.
Oo, so kumbaga, talaga, like, bigamit. So hindi pwedeng lalamya-lamya ka or hindi mo alam yung lines mo. Ang unang rule ni Director, kailangan pagdating mo sa set, alam mo yung script mo, so hindi ka pwedeng maging cause of delay. And si Rian, parang gripo yung luha. Konting lang, ganun agad. So syempre you have to really rise to the occasion.
Kumbaga, mainstay ka doon, di ba? Pero kailan mag-e-end yung Sinungaling Mong Puso?
I think in about 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah. Na siya, nagpipeak na siya.
What's next to you after that?
Right now, I'm still doing A1. And then,
A1?
A1 ko sa'yo. It's a comedy show na we just started season 2. So, actually, doon ako galing. Kasama ko doon sila Miss Jacqueline Jose, sila Sir Cadayona, sila Carlo Bersosa. Yun, naman, very in my element, kumbaga, na comedy. And then, recently, well, not recently, ngayon siya talaga nag-pick up. I started my own online show. It's GTV. So,
ano ulit yung name?
GTV.
Okay, GTV.
So,
wow! Love yourself, no?
Diba? Super to the max, love yourself. So yun, we come up with skits na, kumbaga, very, parang relatable for mga hugot, mga ganun. And then, this is na vehicle for brands to come in. And we collaborate with them. So right now, we're doing a series with ASOS phones. So, gumagawa kami ng mga stuff na may kinalaman sa mga relationship stuff.
Kumbaga talagang online na ang nag-produce itong Veda?
Me.
Ikaw mismo yung nag-produce nun. Ano yung aabangan sa'yo dun sa online na yun?
They will definitely, in the works namin right now is a new talk show. We're gonna have a music talk show that's about to come out. Then we have a Dare game show that's coming out as well. Tapos mga bigating guests din. Our last one was Carla Humphries. The next one will be with Petra Mahalimuya.
Nag-start na to?
It's been going on for a year. So, pero now it's really starting to pick up. So, siya, actually that's how A1 ko sa'yo got me. Because they saw one of my sketches on and they got me.
Kumbaga, marami pang abangan sa'yo doon.
Yes.
Kumbaga, ang mga ginagawa mo doon, usually sino kasama mo? Alone ba yan? Or may...
No, I have a mainstay partner, si Dino Pastrano. I don't know if you...
Yeah.
So he's...
Anak ni Direk Alquin.
Yes. So he's my on-screen boyfriend there. On and off, parang gano'n.
So para siyang series? Something like that?
Yes, oo. Para siyang parang, of course, every sketch it stands alone. Pero may mga connectivity, makikita mo yung mga common characters.
Doon naman sa A1 mo, ano yung aabangan sa'yo doon? Doon mo makikita yung talagang real G?
Well, in a way.
Kasi makulit, gano'n?
Makulit, gano'n. Pero ngayon, nag-experiment ako with, first time ko lang kasi mag-experiment on the sexy side. Kasi it's a sexy comedy. So I've never really, parang nag-focus lang on the patawa, gano'n. Now, parang, kasi parating ko kasama sila Solen. So, syempre, kailangan, alam mo yun,
level up ka.
Diba?
In a way, ikaw yung side ng comedy, sexy, something like that.
Yes, it's us girls, si Solen, ako, Mara Alberto, and Denise Barbacena.
Ano lang, konting hints lang about that A1. Ano yun? Parang Barkada series ba?
It's a Barkada series na we're an addict.
Sitcom. It's a sitcom.
Ang peg niya is palibhasa lalaki. Kasi si Direk Randy Santiago yung director. So, very, yun nga, parang nostalgic in a way kasi may old school factor, pero pinag-uusapan wifi, and internet, and millennial time, so nag-fuse.